It is officially that time again. It is giveaway time, and in this video, we're going to be announcing the giveaway of this Arrma Granite Voltage. All right, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Troy. This is Roadside RC. In our channel, you'll see us do all sorts of RC stuff, whether it's drifting or crawling, sometimes some racing, bashing. We're even getting into the FPV drone stuff. Today, as a thank you to all of our subscribers, it's giveaway time. What we're giving away here is the Arrma Granite Voltage. You've seen us on the channel. We did an evaluation of it as it was stock. We then actually put a cheapo brushless setup in it and tested it on both, I believe, 2S and 3S with that cheap Ghoul RC brushless setup in it. We then took it to the skate park. We had a blast with it at that skate park. It was so much fun and completely durable as it went all the way through it. What you're going to get in this giveaway is you're going to get the truck with the factory brushed setup in it, the nickel battery, the charger, the controller. It's actually going to come to you in the factory box. All right, so the key thing, what you guys really want to know, how do you get into it? All right, so a couple things I've really been wondering on the channel is, like I say almost in every video, we do the crawling, we do the bashing, we do predominantly both of those, right? We do drifting, probably not as much of it as I'd like. I'd probably like to be able to do more of it if I honestly could. Racing, whew, COVID put a real big squeeze on our racing game, didn't it? We haven't done, I don't think in 2020 we did a single bit of racing. I'd love to get back out and do some more of that. We do a bunch of how-to videos, right? Installing parts, how to do this, how to do that. Just like we did with this Granite Voltage when we went from brush to brushless and things along those lines. We also have been dabbling in this FPV drone world, right? So what I want to know from you, I'm going to try to put a poll up here. So go up here and vote, put a poll. But if that doesn't work, put it down in the comments below. Which one of these types of RC do you guys really enjoy the most, right? And if you got a couple, I'd appreciate if you put a couple in there that you really like the most. And so I'd like to hear from you guys, what is it that you really like? So in order to be entered into the giveaway for this Arrma Granite Voltage, one, you have to be subscribed, right? Obviously that's a thing. So you have to be subscribed. It's almost tradition now, so you have to comment something about RoadsideRC Rocks. That's the second thing. And then the third thing is either answer the poll that's up here, probably both. Put it in the poll up there, but then also put it down in the comments below. What type of the RC videos do you really like the most? Is it the crawling? Is it the bashing, the drifting, the racing, the how-to videos, the product reviews, the FPV drone stuff? Which one? So all three of those, I'm going to let this run as I film this. It's early February, so I'm probably going to let this run till maybe early March, somewhere in there. We'll figure out what date makes sense. I don't have a calendar on me right now, so we'll figure out what date makes sense, but early March, and then we will call and do the giveaway of the winner. So thank you to everybody that subscribed. I always super duper really appreciate everything that you guys do, how you interact with us, how you engage, all your watches, all your views. We really appreciate it. This is our small way of giving back. Hey, Arrma Granite Voltage going out to one of you. So this is February, right? So far in January, we gave away 2 Haiboxings. In February here now, we are in the Arrma Granite Voltage, and then we even did the informal. We gave one of the Haiboxing vehicles away informally out at the skate park that one time, if you guys remember that video. So hey, we're on a roll for 2021 so far. So hey, get entered in, do all 3 things that you need to get entered in. Thank you very much for your support. We will see you next time. Goodbye.